All right, welcome to slide number 8. We are going to tell whether the given value is a solution of the inequality. What we mean by that is right here, we have x equals 8. So x minus 3 is less than 10 when x equals 8. So what we do is we substitute this x with 8. So down here, we're going to rewrite our equation by substituting x for 8, or 8 for x. So 8 minus 3 is less than 10. So what's 8 minus 3? Well, 8 minus 3 is 5, and we're going to then bring down everything else. So sorry, can't really talk right at the moment. We're going to bring down the less than and the 10, and we're going to look at this right here. Is 5 less than 10? Well, it is. So we're going to come up here. We're going to take this little circle, and we're going to say that is a solution, meaning that statement right here, this expression, this inequality is correct. So x minus 3 is less than 10 when x equals 8 is correct. All right, so down here we have 6 times y is greater than 12 when y equals 2. So I'm going to rewrite this and replace my y with 2, which means I'm going to substitute it. So I have 6 times 2 is greater than 12. 6 times 2 is actually 12. And we're saying 12 is greater than 12. Now, is this statement correct? Remember, this is not an equation. This is an inequality. So in order for this statement to be correct, these two actually equal each other. So 12 cannot be greater than 12. So this is not a solution unless it would be 12 is greater than or equal to 12, which means it would include this 12 here. So 6 times y is greater than 12 when y equals 2 is not a solution. Make sure you have also typed in the boxes down below the different steps as you see them here, and you have also circled the answers on the slide before continuing.